welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new unboxing for today, and this is also from Timo. Alright, so this is new, guys. So this is new, and this is also for, and also this is also used for bike packing, camping, or either you're having a picnic, right? So in a park. So okay, let's go gonna check it out, and also let's gonna unbox it up. So here it goes. So this is the box right over here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to change the angle of the camera so that you will see the item clearly. Okay. All right, everyone, here it goes, and this is the box right over here. So let's go gonna open it up. So okay, let's go gonna open this up. So I believe this is the electric lunch box, or should I say food warmer lunch box. Okay, so just have right there over there. So but no, I think maybe the item is still in a good shape, right? So okay, just I'm just gonna have to, so that I'm gonna have to open this up, right? So and then so that we can check the items inside her in the box. So yeah, I thought it was big, right? So but yes, when I saw the box, it is a small box. All right, so here it goes. There's no styrofoam inside to protect the, what is this called, to protect the lunch box, right? So here it goes in, and we've got right over here is the yep, this one right over here. That's a electric lunchbox. Okay, so and we've got some user's manual, right? So yeah, we've got some, yeah, spoon cover. I think there's a spoon and fork right over here. So right, so we're gonna have to check it out. Okay, let's go gonna have to check this out. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this into my room so that I can warm my food, right? So okay, let's go gonna check this out. Oh, nice. Okay, we've got the power over here, right? So we've got this, yeah. Okay, here it goes. So this is the outlet for you to yeah, right, the chicken. So let's go gonna have to open this one first. So oh, and we've got this spoon, and also we've got also a fork, right? Oh, nice. Okay, perfect. Nice. Okay, we've got some spoon and fork. Okay, and then let's go gonna have to check this out. So what is this? Okay, yep, so we're gonna have to open this up. I'm gonna have to open this. So and here it goes. We've got also the box, right, and then also I'm gonna have to put that beside. So in right here, what is this? So we've got right here is the bag for it, which is also a thermal bag. Oh, look at that. They got also a thermal bag, right? So I'm gonna have to put that aside. Okay, and then here it goes. This is the, what is this? Okay, we've got this, yeah, we've got the wall outlet. Okay, and then also we've got the car outlet right over here. So since I'm gonna use it into my room, so I'm gonna use this wall outlet, right? So and then let's go, I'm gonna check this out. So they got some too, right? So if you can use this up right over here, and then I'm gonna put this one. Okay, so I think, okay, I think it's gonna have to put it right that, and then put the food right over here so that it can, right, and then you just have to put this. Okay, take this out. Okay, it can take it up. Yeah, it can take that up. So this is where you put, this is where it put the food, right? So I'm gonna have to clean that up first. So nice and also perfect. So you just gonna have to, yeah, I have to put it like that, but you gotta put it like that. So just gonna have to put it just like that over here, right, for you to use this, and then gonna have to put this on, and then here it goes, and then I'm gonna have to make that one right over there. So let's go, gonna have to, oh okay, I'm gonna have to put it on right over there. So and then gonna have to, yep, close this up. Okay, so I'm gonna have to close that, yep, and then also if get some, yep, right over there. And then we can put this one right over here also, right? So if I want to put it, if I want to put it up, okay, so I'm gonna have to try to put this into a thermal bag, right? So it's gonna have to try it out. Okay, here it goes. Yeah, here it goes. Oh, look at that, nice. Okay, very nice. Oh, I forgot, so I'm gonna have to put the spoon and fork right over here. So where's that spoon and fork? And then I'm gonna put it down like that one, and then put it also, yeah, yep, and then oops, okay, here it goes. Okay, gonna have to, okay, so I think it's gonna have to be put like that, just one, right? And then here it goes, and then I'm gonna have to close it up. Yep, and then here it goes. Okay, yep, like that one. So and then you're good to go. Nice, perfect, really like it. Okay, so gonna have to take it off. Okay, and then this go gonna have to open this again, and then I'm gonna have to step it aside for, so we've got some a nice thermal right over here, so we're gonna have to take it off. Okay, so I just have also a rice here in my room. I have a rice here, and also let's go gonna have to try to heat some rice. Okay, so that I will know if it is gonna be working, right? So I'm gonna have to take the spoon. Okay, I'm gonna have to take the spoon, and also I'm gonna have to open it up. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to open this up, and then I'm gonna have to put some rice on it, right? So okay, so I'm gonna have to try it out. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this out. All right, so I'm gonna have to take this off right over here. So this is for the food, right? So for the food, so right here is for the rice. Okay, I'm gonna have to try it out. Okay, so okay, I already plug it up, so let's go gonna have to power that up. Okay, yep, I think it's already powering up, right? So it's already powering up, so let's go gonna have to try that out. What is gonna be, or is this a logo right over here? So I'm gonna have to check this. Okay, so okay, so right, let's go gonna have to check it out. So and then we've got also for this, yep, we got the spoon cover, steam vent cup, we got the steam vent cup right over here, and also the handle. Okay, we got the steam vent. Okay, and then lunch box cover, fastener, and also warm tips label. We've got the warm tips label. Yeah, okay, warm prompt. Okay, so it's also we got some the food, and also food container, plug in, power indicator. Okay, and then dishes box cover. Okay, seal ring. We've got the dishes box. Okay, so heating food is, please put the cooked food into the rice container and the dishes container. Please fasten the lip. Open the socket stopper. Insert the power cord. Okay, now switch on the power indicator light plus soup began. Right, note, heating time depends on the amount of rice, vegetables, and the indoor temperature. Okay, so indoor right here. So okay, heating food just need 25 minutes. on the condition of 25 degrees centigrade. When the food gets from the fridge, the heating time should be extension in appropriate. Okay, okay, that's one. And also, please pull out the power cord before eating. Okay, pull out the power cord before eating. Heating soup. So there's a heating soup right over here. Please put the cooked soup into the lunchbox. Please fasten the lip, open the socket, and also the power cord. Switch on the power cord and also the light indicator light. Plus soup begin. Heating time depends the amount of rice. Okay, which was, and also yes, it still depends on the temperature of the room, right? So okay, so right over here is also we've got some. Please open the exhaust. Please open the one right here. Okay. Yes, please open the exhaust cover before heating. Okay. If not, internal steam will enlarge the lunchbox. Okay, and deform. Even can't use it anymore. So I have to take this off so that it will release the smoke, right? It's gonna be, explode if this. Okay, so warm tips. If the food has been set aside for a long time, uh, is it is suggested to add some water into the rice, okay, and then plug into heat so that the rice would become softer. Okay. Product features with subtle design appearance, adapt special eating style, which can uniform the temperature and softer the food. Adapt preservation, container design convenient and easy to take. The inside food container is made of impeded heat resisting insulative material which corresponds with a safety standard and FDA certification. So clean and maintenance, don't forget to pull the plug out when you finish eating. Please clean in time to prevent generation of peculiar smell. Do not use thinner, gasoline, cleanser, gasoline or Vaseline, right? Stainless steel wire clean to bulk to clean. You can use a few of warm water, soft and wet cloth to clean it. So long time when not in use, please clean it and put it in the box, right? And it also exists in fabrics in the lunchbox. Designated maintenance service department to repair. Do not, yeah. Safety precautions, please make sure the rated voltage matches yours. Okay, nice. Okay. Fault, the indicator is not lit when switch on. Okay, the indicator is not lit when switch off. The temperature is very low after heating. Cause haven't plugged in, power cord damage. Yeah, and also heating element is damaged. Heating time is too short. Okay, and then solutions, check the socket, power cord, and plug in again. Send to the designated apartment for maintenance. So I don't know if they have a maintenance, right? So yes, still on. Yep, still on. Right. Yep. Still not. Yep. And yeah, and I think I can feel the warm. I think I can feel the warm. Yep, I think I can feel the warm already. So this is gonna have to stay for a while, right? Okay. So okay, I'm gonna have to try it out. Okay, if it's gonna be. Yep, it's really warm inside, right? It's really warm. So yep. So gonna have to turn it off. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to try. Okay. So okay, here it goes. So I'm gonna have to try. Right. So I'm gonna have to try some test. Okay. So since yeah, the rice is over here. Right. So I'm gonna have to try if it is already be warm. Okay. I'm gonna have to try it out. Okay. Hmm. Perfect. So it is, it is warm, right? It is warm, and also I really like this one, right? Really like this one. Okay, so perfect, and also I love it. So this is a nice one for me to have it for either picnic or right, either picnic. So this is a good one. Also, you can have. Yes, this is a good one for you also to have this kind of electric lunch box, right? So you can bring it anywhere. You are backpacking, camping, picnic, or going anywhere in your work area. So you can bring this in you can bring this in your work, right? Okay. So okay, I think that's it for this vlog, right? So and I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so yes, my final thoughts for this one is a good one also, right? And it's also it really can warm it really can warm what is this what is food, right? Yeah, either foods, vegetables, soup, rice, right? So it is a good one for you to have this one. So it is a good one for camping, right? So camping, picnic, bikepacking, right? So anything that goes on with you, and you can bring it anywhere, right? So you can bring it, which is also is a full pack, right? It's a full pack electric lunchbox, which is good for each and everyone, right? So and I hope you like my video for today. So okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching.